Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. We're going to turn to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Joshua Colbreth in the Weather Center. Okay, Josh, we've got your satellite and radar up. It's going to be kind of the same weather we're seeing up in the region. What can you tell us?
Yeah, it's going to be the exact same forecast as yesterday, except the coverage of the snow showers will be a little bit less compared to yesterday. In fact, we're already tracking a decent-sized band of snow working down from Douglas County into Jackson County, into portions of Klamath County. So if this starts to wobble a little bit to the west, maybe this could provide some very light snow flurries to the Rogue Valley. So we'll continue to track that throughout the rest of the morning. So let's go ahead and show you the rest of the day with Stormcast, and it's going to look very familiar. We're going to see some more snow showers popping up to the east of the Cascades, down into Siskiyou County this afternoon and evening, but then everything tapers off into the overnight hours. Could hold on to a few snow showers along the coast, maybe a few rain showers, or excuse me, a few snow showers up in the Cascades, a few rain showers along the coast. Too many C's in that sentence. And then as we head into Wednesday, we'll start off the day dry, but then here comes that next storm system. It's going to bring some very light showers along the coast, and this will very slowly spread inland throughout the day. So by the time we get to around dinner time, could be continuing with a few showers within the Rogue Valley, maybe up along the Cascades too, but this is going to be a very weak storm system. We're not expecting anything very substantial in the way of big-time accumulations, but the storm system we're going to have for Thursday is going to be a bit of a different story, and we'll have more on that here in just a minute. But first, your coat cast for today. I'm going to go with a rain jacket in the Rogue Valley or just a regular jacket. Again, coverage is going to be pretty light and pretty minimal, but it's going to be cold out there, and I don't think you want to be cold and wet. That would be pretty not fun, especially on April 4th. I mean, why do we still feel like this as we are still about 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of the year? So we're going to struggle to make it above freezing for some portions of the east side. We'll be in the 40s for our west side valleys and mid-50s there along the coast in Brookings. And it could be a little bit more brisk than the air temperature would suggest because we'll have winds coming out of the west and northwest up along the Cascades, and on the east side gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour. Overnight, again, it's going to be another cold night, but it'll be a mainly dry night. Could hold on to some of the snow showers up in the Cascades and some of those rain showers along the coast, but the rest of us will see cloud coverage that'll be broken. Just some very cold temperatures. So into Wednesday, again, a drier day compared to today. It's going to be a bit of a different kind of storm system. Instead of these hit and miss showers, it's going to be very light rain. But then into Thursday, this storm system is looking very interesting. You see that temperatures are going to raise, and that means that snow levels are going to raise too. So that's going to pose a bit of a concern for flooding. So that's why we're going with a medium risk, medium impacts on Thursday. There's also going to be the risk for some damaging wind gusts too. So that is another factor that we're going to track with this storm system. But whenever you have rain falling on top of existing snowpack, which is likely what's going to happen, that does pose the risk for some localized flooding because of some excess snowmelt. So we'll see how all that plays out, but just know for now we're going with medium impacts for Thursday. So here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s, and I have some bad news for those of you who are really putting all your eggs into the basket for the Easter forecast. Just know that it's starting to trend a little bit wetter and a little bit cooler. Oh, pains me to say it, but it is what it is. For Siskiyou County, see, we'll have a couple more chances for snow today and Wednesday, pretty small chances, and then after that it's just going to be rain. Does look like we'll have temperatures getting into the mid-60s for Easter Sunday, and there's a very small chance for showers over the weekend. And keep in mind that the forecast from Friday to Monday is still very much up in the air. So that includes for the Klamath Basin. As of now, we're thinking we're going to reach 60 degrees, but that could change. Forecasts are always subject to change. For the Cascades and Siskiyous, we'll add to the snowpack for the first 3 days of this forecast. Then we'll take away from it as snow levels go up and as temperatures go up. And then for the Rogue Valley, small chance for some snow showers this morning. After that, it's just going to be rain. But hey, look, temperatures slowly but surely going up.
All right, thank you, Josh. Now, I'm a little sad that the temperatures on Sunday are going down.
I know, I was hoping we were going to have our first 70-degree day on Easter Sunday. That would have been really special, but we're just going to have to settle for 66.
66, that's okay. Maybe an indoor brunch moment instead of an outdoor.
Sure. Brunch is brunch.
Brunch is brunch.
Yeah.
As long as I have my bacon and eggs and toast.
We know you can get a little cranky, so.
All right, thank you, Josh.
Of course.